going on right now, what would you talk about?
Well, I mean, you're right. You can't really go out there and pick a favorite bit of research because that's like picking your favorite child. But, what I would say is that it's always exciting to look at
the launch window today.
PM liftoff time, but even without lightning, within 3 knots we progress to the space station. On the prime astronauts will be in direct communication. Dragon will receive approval to begin. Of JAXA and Scott Ting will be sent from Mission Control in Houston for the space station's arm to rotate.
9, 8, 7,
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. And the liftoff of the Falcon 9 rocket and the Dragon spacecraft, packed with science and supplies for the International Space Station, humanity's home in low Earth orbit. And the Falcon 9 has cleared the tower. SpaceX ascent commentaries performed by several people. The propulsion engineer calls out propulsion events. The avionics engineer calls out avionics health and Dragon separation. The range coordinator calls Air Force satellite control network acquisition and loss of signal. And the ground station specialist calls out the SpaceX antenna acquisition and loss of signal. We are 40 seconds into the flight of the Falcon 9. At 1 minute, 5 seconds after liftoff, Falcon 9 will reach transonic speed. The vehicle will pass through an area of maximum aerodynamic pressure called max Q. At 1 minute, 18 seconds after liftoff, this is the point where mechanical stress on the rocket reaches its peak because of the rocket's velocity and resistance created by Earth's atmosphere.
Supersonic.
And the vehicle is supersonic.
Vehicle is experiencing maximum dynamic pressure.
And confirmation of max Q. One minute, 30 seconds into flight. And the second stage engine chill has begun. Around 2 minutes, 35 seconds into flight, the 9 Merlin engines will sequentially shut down. You'll hear the term MECO, which means main engine cutoff.